Hi guys, good morning and welcome to my spring break morning routine. Every day I wake up at 9:30 and I make my bed. And then after I'm done making my bed, I go to the bathroom and use the bathroom. And then after I'm done using the bathroom, I brush my teeth. And then I just wash my face with the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. And I love this stuff. It's great. I started wearing contacts and I absolutely love them. I don't know why, but it took me a while to get these in. So it normally doesn't take me that long. I don't know why. Next, I just take my morning medicine. And now it's time for me to take a shower. I use the Olay Ultra Moisture Body Wash. I normally wash my hair, but today I didn't. And now it's time to do my makeup. And I'm just using the Revolution Concealer and blending that out with the Beauty Blender. Next, I'm using my Tarte foundation in Light. Then I'm taking Sun Bronze by Rimmel. And then I'm taking my Tarte GoPro Highlight. I'm just using a Sephora blush. And then I'm taking a eyeshadow from Wet n Wild and just doing my eyebrows. And I'm taking my new favorite mascara by Pure Fully Charged and just using that for my lashes. I did not wash my hair today. I'm using the Batiste dry shampoo and just putting my hair up in a big giant bun. And then since I had nothing to do, I'm going to the movies. And thank you all for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.